Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the May OK Beauty Box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video, we are unboxing the May OK Beauty Box. And yet again, we have an open box. I don't know what is going on with my beauty boxes at the moment, but the ones that are simply sealed with a little plastic thing like that, they are arriving open. So I don't know if it's my postman like having a little nosy nose in the box to see what's what, but luckily all the contents have been in so far. Hopefully this one is the same. I've not peeked in here at all, so yeah, we're doing that together. Opening it up, it opens like this, and on here it just says, "This box has been lovingly curated by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Inside you'll find a minimum of 5 products with the value of at least £80 basically." Yeah, this is inside, and there is a quick sneak peek of what is in the box. And it just says here, the edit is called Rise and Shine Edit. So yeah, let's get digging in here to see exactly what we've got. So this box costs £15 per month, and there is a code on their website. I'll pop it down below in the information box for you. You'll get your first box half price, which is always good. Yeah, but moving straight on and seeing what is in here, the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Figs in Rouge, and it is a flawless filter and velvety smooth peach cream skin perfecting primer. This is a full size product with a value of £42, and the full size product is basically 30 mils. So let's take a closer look and see what it says. So the trick to entrusting your makeup lasts all day. Use a good primer beforehand. This Figs in Rouge one is perfect, as it not only gives your makeup something to grip onto, but also protects the skin against pollution and moisture loss throughout the day. So you just apply onto cleansed and moisturised skin, smooth over the face to allow it to dry, and continue with your usual makeup routine. Okay, I'm not normally into primers, but recently I am trying to get into them because I have so many in there and it will be a shame to waste them, so I am actually trying to start using them. Figs in Rouge, I've had quite a few makeup products by them and they've actually been pretty decent. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to go off the time I get to this, but it certainly sounds interesting. I'm sure with the things I've tried from this brand being so good so far, I'm having good hopes for this. I'm sure this is going to be okay. Fingers crossed. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Murad, and it's a Vita C Triple Exfoliating Facial. This is a deluxe sample, which is 10 mils and has a value of £11. So it just says here, this is much more than just a face scrub. It's the next best thing to getting the results of a salon facial at home. It contains a trio of exfoliators to reveal smooth glowing skin, plus vitamin C for an extra radiance boost. You just massage it onto clean damp skin using circular motions. 2 or 3 times a week. This clever formula changes from orange to white to indicate when it's delivered enough exfoliation. Leave on for 10 minutes and then rinse off. Pat dry with something else that they have in the box. Okay, cool. Great brand. Absolutely great brand. I love Murad, how do you say it? Products. Oh, it is so cute as well, and that's, yeah, you can feel that is jam-packed with product, which is great. We'll get a good couple of uses out of that. Vitamin C is one of my favourite ingredients for skincare, and yeah, I am super excited to slap that on my face and try it out. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Wild Science Lab, and this is Night Watch Resilient Moisturizer. It's travel size, which is 10 mils and has a value of £12. So it just says here, waking up to great skin starts with using great products the evening before, which is why we've included this skin rejuvenating night cream in the box. It contains bok choy, a plant-based and less irritating alternative to retinol, which works on reducing the appearance of fine lines while you sleep. You just massage it onto your skin and your neck until fully absorbed as the last step in your skincare routine. Yeah, cool. Have we received this before in any other beauty boxes? I have a feeling I have, but I don't think I've tried it yet because my drawers are like overflowing at the moment. I need to get a move on with using my products up. But yeah, great little brand. I've tried a few products by them and yeah, it's been quite nice, to be honest. So can't wait to use that. The fourth product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Naughty and it's the Booster Body Serum. This is a full-size product of 100 mils and has a value of £9.50, which I think is absolutely great. Nice and affordable product. This body serum is perfect pick-me-up for limbs in the morning. It combines caffeine, which stimulates blood flow and reduces puffiness. It's lightweight and easily absorbed too. You can get dressed immediately after applying, ideal for busy mornings. So after cleansing, massage a grape-sized amount of serum in clockwise strokes onto areas of the body that need firming and are prone to cellulite. I don't think it matters if you go clockwise or anti-clockwise. Just slap the bugger on your body and rub it on in. I'm sure if you go opposite to clockwise, it's gonna be fine. I'm sure it's like, oh no, it's not gonna work, but don't worry about that. Yeah, great brand, such affordable products. So I'm gonna open this up and just have a little look-see. Ooh, so that's it there. Can you see? That's like a gel. Ooh. Yeah, it's like a gel, and then when you start, oh, I put a bit too much on there, and then when you start massaging it in, it goes with that serum-y kind of styly. You can see how moisturised my hand is there. It has a lovely scent on it as well, and yeah, my skin feels really nice, but only time will tell if that will actually help with skin toning and firming. Fingers crossed it does, because I need a lot of that with the weight loss that I've had. So the fifth and final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Mina and it is the Clockwork Lip Pencil in the shade 503. This is a full-size product, has a value of £12, and it just says here, a quick stroke of lip liner can instantly make your makeup look more polished, plus it'll help your lipstick last longer too. We've picked up this flattering pinky nude shade for the box as it suits everyone and makes a great base layer for any shade of lipstick. Just gently glide the pencil over the edge of your lips until the colour is outlined. Use the included applicator brush to soften the edges and blend. Okay, so let's just open it up and have a look. Sometimes, yes, I line my lips, and sometimes I totally colour all of my lips in with a pencil. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I love that it is retractable. I am a lazy girl and that is absolutely perfect. That is how much product we've got in there, which is a decent amount. I can't put it on my lips because I already have lipstick on, but let's just... That shade is absolutely spot on. I love that. I absolutely love that. Really, really like it. And then yeah, you just take the nib off the end there. And then yeah, that's what it means by softening it out. Ooh, I like it. I really like it. That shade is a bit of me. Right guys, so this is the Rise and Shine Edit, the May OK Beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a great little box. I actually really like it. I'm loving that lip pencil. I think it's so cute. The colour is perfect. I love that we got a Murad product in here that includes vitamin C as an ingredient, so that is a winner for me. We have a lovely nighttime moisturizer, a nice treat for the whole body with a nice toning serum. Hopefully it does tone because I really need that bad. And then yeah, we have hopefully what is a lovely primer for the face. So yeah, overall this gets a thumbs up from me. But what do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But that basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!